Yeah. It's a nice spot, eh? Yeah, like getting underwater shots and stuff. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But it was all it was all nasty. It was all nasty. Yeah. Well, I mean, they would have seen us, but we took the whole sail down. Remember? So we bent the tiller, and we were just sitting there with a fucking, we were trying to like, no tension on the sail, and it was just like, whoa, 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 like so windy and so much current that day. So I took the fucking whole sail down. I mean, I remember us dumping, me staying on the boat, right? Because that's sailing. That's like the experience I got from that is because you dump when you're doing lessons, you fly out of that boat every fucking time until enough times you're like It's going over. You just like do the whole maneuver to climb over, stand on the rudder, bring it back up, jump in, fucking take control, swing that bitch back around, pick up your homie, fucking keep going.
It was, well, I've never done that before. My only instinct was to not have the boat kick me under, but, you know, go into an air pocket or push myself clean away.
Yeah, I mean, had I not seen an instructor do that same thing, like I probably wouldn't even have crossed my mind to do it as well, but you see someone do it, like I'm with an instructor who's wearing like his clothing, he's wearing like cargo shorts and shit, and he's on the boat with us, we're trash, so we're gonna dump this thing, and then he's just like, okay, where we just start rolling, he just like walks over, not a, you know, we're fucking swimming, he's like, didn't even get wet, you know what I mean? Stood the boat back up, like that's probably fun as fuck too. Having kids just like go flying off and you're just like riding the edge of the boat, like climbing over and shit. That's a nice area. It's really nice. The grass looks like very lush and clean. This tree over here, it's probably a pretty cool spot. Yeah, is that like some benches? Well, thanks for coming. Thanks for coming. This is definitely what was on my list, exactly this.
I mean, this is fun, I like this.
And
You said